Hey, and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, we will find out the best EV charging app in North America between the Tesla app and ChargePoint app in 2025. If you're looking for the best EV charging app in North America in 2025, then watch this till the end and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads. And let's get into this. The Tesla app represents the gold standard for vertical integration in the EV ecosystem. For Tesla owners, it offers unprecedented control over both the vehicle and the charging experience. The app's Supercharger map shows users the real-time availability of chargers with stall-level precision and predicts future availability based on historical patterns. Its automated billing system also aims to eliminate all stumbling blocks from the charging process. Users can simply plug in and charging begins immediately, with payments processed in the background. Remote preconditioning optimizes the battery temperature while navigating to a supercharger, ensuring maximum charging speeds upon a driver's arrival. The energy consumption statistics the app offers can provide detailed insights into efficiency across different driving conditions. While its functionality is generally limited to Tesla vehicles, the recent opening of selected superchargers to non-Tesla vehicles in some European countries has extended certain features to a broader audience. ChargePoint operates North America's largest charging network, and its app reflects this extensive infrastructure with impressive functionality. The app excels at queue management, allowing drivers to join virtual waiting lists when stations are occupied, a game-changer in busy urban environments. Its notification system alerts users when charging is complete or interrupted, preventing unnecessary idle fees that can otherwise accumulate at $2.15 per hour. The app's payment processing is remarkably streamlined. Once you've added a payment method, all charging sessions are automatically billed with detailed receipts provided. What truly distinguishes ChargePoint is its home charger integration, enabling users to manage both public and home charging through a single interface, complete with energy consumption statistics and carbon footprint calculations. That was a basic overview comparison between the Tesla app and ChargePoint app in 2025, as which one is the better investment option in 2025. With this in mind, you can easily decide what suits you and your workflow. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.